but we are getting another machine. So I hope that at least the floating substance will be cleaned up before the rains. It will get reduced by at least half. That is a target. Working on a methodology called as transfer station. Every panchayat will get a transfer station where they can bring the garbage and put it in the transfer station. Transfer station will compress it and take it away. थोडेशे टेंडरा भी करचीच पडटा कितली फास्ट केलेल्या I have to work out a target plan. So I have said from July the process will start. Before that the pre-process things will be completed, and maybe October, November you will find changes taking place. Like this plastic will be baled, 500 kilos bale they will form, and the bales will be sent to cement plant for fuel, as a fuel. There are two in north, two in south. The second one in north will be at Baigini, where Panji municipality has acquired land. One will be Kakoda for Sangye Kepe, that area, and one will be in Verna, industrial estate, because we have the land with us. If I can solve the problem of, my target is to solve the problem of garbage across state within 2 years, but you will see results within 6 months. You will start seeing the results. It's being taken on war footing. One is mobility plan, one is garbage. There are more 3-4 areas. We'll declare it on 14th or 15th.
Direct Sudhar Kinetari जावपाक जाय after I have become a minister. First thing that I have taken in hand is the Sosodor dump. This is a half a century old problem. गेले 50 वर्सांचो हो problem. तो solve जावपाची गरज आहा.
साश्टीतले सब रजिस्ट्रार ऑफिस रोकडेच जाग्यार पडटले. मडगांवां पासपोर्ट ऑफिसाचें माय मेरेन उक्तावण जातलें म्हूण पर्रीकार उलयला. वेळी चर्चेचो इशू खंय जाग्यार घालतले. प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.